Hello dear children, this is class 8 maths class. In the previous class, we have done chapter G3 circle. We have completed that chapter. Now we are going to start a new chapter which is DH2 probability. Now let us see what is probability. A probability is the study of the likelihood of an event happening under a given set of conditions. Now we will see some important terms related to the probability. Experiment, outcomes, and event. An action or a process that yields some well-defined outcomes is known as an experiment. And a specific subset of the set of all possible outcomes is called an event. Now, children, this is the formula to find out the probability. We will express them in symbolic form. PE means probability of empirical or probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of possible outcomes in an experiment. See, suppose we are tossing a coin and we have to find out what is the probability of getting tail. So how many tails are in a coin? There are one tail. And total faces, how many total faces in the coin? There are two faces, head and tail. So total number of possible outcomes will be 2 and favorable outcomes which we have to find out, that is 1. So the probability of getting tail is 1 by 2. Now we will see probability scale. Probability are measuring on a scale from 0 to 1. A probability of a 0 means that there is no chance of an event happening. A probability of 1 means that the event will happen certainly. The probability of an event happening is never negative. We never express the happening, we never express negative numbers for the probability. Now we will start exercise. Now the first question is write down all the possible outcomes. First part of this question is the throw of a coin. What is the possible outcomes when you will toss a coin? So how many faces of a coin? 2. So either tail or head will come. Therefore the possible outcomes in throw of a coin will be 2, head or tail. The toss of two coins, when we will toss two coins at the same time, what will be the possible outcomes? Head head or head tail or tail head or tail tail. So there are 4 outcomes. It has 4 possible outcomes. Next, the throw of a die. In a die, how many faces are there? There are 6 faces in a die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are written on each face. So the possible outcomes will be 6. Next, choosing a day of the week at random. In a week, how many days are there? There are 7 days. So the possible outcomes will be 7. Next question is, in the toss of a coin, find the probability of not getting head. Not getting head means tail. So how many tails are there? 1. And total outcomes, head and tail, there are 2 total outcomes. So 1 by 2 is the probability of not getting head. Now come to the question number 3. In a single throw of 2 coins, find the probability of getting each of the following. First, tails on both. Means if we are tossing 2 coins at the same time, what will be the probability of getting tail on both the coins? So these are the probability. Either in the first coin head will come, and in second coin maybe head will come, in or head tail will come, or tail head will come, or tail tail will come. So what is the probability of getting tails on both the coins? 1. And how many total possible outcomes? Total possible 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So 1 by 4 will be the probability of getting tail on both. Next question is tails at least 1 on 1. Tails at least on 1. So one time tails is, how many times tail is coming? Only 1 times. Let us see. 1, 2 and 3. So 3 by 4. 4 is the total possible outcomes and 3 is the favorable outcomes. Next question is tail on 1. tail on 1. So 1 and 2. So 2 will be the favorable outcome and 4 is the total possible outcomes. So 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2 is our answer. No tails. No tails means only head. Only. So 1 will be the favorable outcomes and 4 is the total possible outcomes. So 1 by 4 will be our answer. So children, today this much only, and next topic we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.